Okay, students, now we'll discuss the next topic from chapter 3, that is loans from financial institutions. So, financial institutions means it refers to uh, giving of finances to the organization, to the business enterprises. So, financial institutions are those sorts of institutions which comprises banks which provide financial assistance to business concern and organization, those who are need. Now, our country, the government of India, have taken several initiatives and programs and schemes to launch several special financial institutions so as to help and provide necessity financial assistance to the business concern, so the business concern can operate their activities. So this new for the new concerns they can float, means the new business companies can operate and conduct their business activities, while for the existing business concern they can modernize, diversify their business operations. So the government of India have set up several financial institutions to give them the financial assistance, such as IDBI, Industrial Development Bank of India, ICCI, Industrial Credit Investment Corporation of India, SFC, State Financial Corporations. Then there are several more banks. These are the banks which provide financial assistance. Not only they provide financial assistance to this organization, for these they also provide the other services such as managerial services, technical services, expert professional services. So the loan from the financial institution comprises of these special banks which the government of India established, namely ICICI, IDBI, SFC, and more. And not only the financial services, these banks also promote the expansion, growth, and modernization, and they give loan in the form of equity and debt. And these banks have a purpose so that the new concerns or new business enterprise are able to conduct their business activities without any interruption, and the existing business concerns can modernize, expand, and diversify their business operations. So, as of you can have a look here. I have written the meaning that the government of India has set up several financial institutions. Namely, I have taken ICCI, IDBI, SFCs to provide the long-term loans as well as medium-term loan. And under this, the the company, that means the bank or the special financial institution, provide loans, and they have the tenure that is long term as well as medium term. And when the term is dissolved, the companies can ask for raise of the time period. Now, to provide long-term and medium finances facility too. And these institutions or the development banks, which we call, have become a major source. Means they have become a major source of finance. They are providing finances to the industries, to business concern. So these business concern and industries cannot business in the business concern or industry do not halt or do not stall or stop their business activities and operation. So these financial institutions provide the financial assistance to to the business organization or concern when they are in need, and for these they have become a very major source of financing for the industry. As we know that industries and business companies helps in accelerating the income, helps in developing the GDP and per capita income of country. And these financial institutions have been set up by the government of India for meeting this purpose. So They provide finances for new concern, new business company for flotation. Flotation means the company should carry on their activities without any interruption or halt. And the existing companies, those who are well existing, so they also need finance money for carrying out their different activities like expansion, modernization, diversification of companies' activities, and they provide these financial institution provide finances in the form of equity and debt. So, and they also provide, as I've stated, they also provide the not only the financial but technical, professional, managerial, expert services too. And in order to fill the gap, in order to bridge the gap, these are the special financial institutions which provide all sorts of services to the companies or industries in need. And look at the example IFCI, that is this is Financial Corporation of India. Small SIDABI means Small Industrial Development Bank of India. SFC, State Financial Corporation. LIC, that is Life Insurance Corporation. These are the financial institutions which provide the financial assistance. So all of your task is to do that. Go through the video very carefully, watch the video carefully, several numerous times to get a hold and conceptual clarity of it. And if any sorts of doubt arises, do revert back to me so I can give you the required assistance. And do follow the book. Means if you are all of you possess, though I know that do refer the book so as to catch the insight and meaning of it. And one more thing, that all of you need to update your copies about the homework assignment task, that is chapter 1, 2 and 3. And I know that your exams also coming, you all aware of it, so prepare accordingly. All the short questions and the long question answers from the back exercises and from the chapter as well.